Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very unique blend of design ideas that are totally based on hand embroidery. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to like and leave comments below the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Now let's welcome back to our content and main concern. Guys, previously we have shared a number of design ideas that are totally based on different stylized patterns of hand embroidery onto your shirts, tops, or kurti. But now this collection of our today's design is somewhat unique in itself because it is showcasing a number of design ideas of hand embroidery that are totally based for and designed for trousers, plazos, pants, cigarette pants, capri, and any type of bottoms that you could wear along with your top, shirt, or any type of kurti or kameez. So it is as per your own choice. One more thing I would recommend you that for getting decent, elegant, and exactly the same results, use the exact color combination of threads and along with a very beautiful, simple, and unique blend of same fabric color. You can change the type of the fabric, but you must use same fabric color. In most of my videos, all of you have been kept asking me that which type of fabric is being used to make these very beautiful embroidery patterns. Then the answer to this question is organic linen blended stuff, soft cotton have been used to embroider these patterns. So these are at the same time lightweight, easily, comfortably wearable and breathable. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences in the comments box that which design you tried and how was your experience and which design you like the most and why. Guys, subscribers are very important. If you already have subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. You can pair these very beautiful hand embroidered trousers along with your same plain fabric solid shirts, or even you can also make use of light and jacquard or printed fabric